Hey guys, Plunderluck here. Welcome to another video. So today we're gonna be unboxing the AirPods Pro Clone. This is from Losense. It's actually a Chinese brand. This comes in at under $20, just right about $15. As you can see, the case looks absolutely nothing like the AirPods Pro, but let's open it up and see what's inside, if that actually looks like the AirPods Pro. So we're gonna take this out. Actually, as you guys can see today, I'm not destroying the box because actually the box is quite easy to open. Okay, and we're greeted with the device. It does look like the AirPods Pro, but does it have an indicator here like the AirPods Pro does? Actually, the indicator is right here. I don't know if you guys can see that. It's a bit dim, but that's the indicator. And the back also, displays in the original AirPods Pro are actually metallic. This is just a white color. So also there's no button. So when we open it up, as we can see, it's actually charging. The two devices are charging. Why don't we take them out? Okay, so the case itself, actually, it feels good. It's not exactly premium, but the feel is good. The earpiece also feels good. I'm gonna try and connect this to my iPad, and we're gonna see if we can listen to some music. Then we're gonna try some sound test and see if the sound is actually pretty good. So okay, I'm gonna put it in. Oh, actually, I forgot to show you guys. So when you connect the device to your iPad, what it actually shows is AirPods Pro, and you guys can see that AirPods Pro. Okay, so I'm gonna try to listen to some music. Okay, the sound of the music is pretty good. Okay, so another thing I noticed is when you take it off from your ear, then the music goes off, but when you put it back on, the music comes back on. So I mean, another thing is like the indicator lights right here. It has two indicator lights. Those are dead giveaway that this is a fake, so I'm sure most people are not gonna like that. But when it comes to the case and the build itself, if you put like case cover in this, then probably most people are not gonna know this is a fake. But without the case cover, most people are gonna know it is. So I'm pretty sure a lot of people are not gonna like that. But like I said, this comes in at under like $15, comes to under $20. So for most people, it's gonna be okay. Let's check what's in the box. Okay, just comes a charging cable. The charging cable is actually a lightning port and some extra earpiece. So I'm gonna try something. We're gonna check what the charging looks like. So I'm gonna connect my charging cable. So we're gonna check where the indicator lights comes on from. Like I said, I'm pretty sure it comes on under the device. Let's take this out. Okay, so under the device, once you plug it in, the indicator light blinks red to show that it's charging, and when you open it, you have two green lights here and here. So guys, actually this is for a giveaway, that's why I didn't destroy the box. So if you guys like this and you want this, please leave a like on the video and comment, and see you guys in the next one. Bye.